Good day and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning into this video. Before we get into it, I please encourage you to subscribe, like, comment. It helps the channel out. It helps grow the channel and helps us further so we can do more things. In the last video, you'll see I recently upgraded my LED reverse lights, and now when I press the brake, my reverse camera comes on. I'm going to show you a clip of that right now, and then we'll get into the video. Stay tuned. Alright, so you see my screen? I'm pressing the brakes, the reverse camera comes on. Goes off. Let off. Press the brakes again. Oh, it's not going to do it anymore. But, you guys did see it. It did happen. So, alright, so we're now back at the house. It's been a couple hours. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the wiring and my tailgate light bar that no longer works, which I think is causing an issue. When I pulled my tail light out, the wire kind of tore a little bit and was touching the metal, so I don't know if that's what was causing my reverse light to come on. My reverse camera to activate when I was pressing the brakes. I don't know, not 100% sure, but what we are going to do is we're going to remove this thing and we're going to go from there. So what I got to do is I got to take out this yellow wire that I added in, because I think there's some marks in it, but I don't know if that's my issue, but we're going to find out. And then down under here, I don't know if you can see it, but we got to remove that and all the wiring that I tied into there. So let's get into it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it right there like that. Push that back down through. Don't mind it's dirty, I know it's disgusting in there, but I don't ever take taillights out until now, so it is what it is. Hopefully the sun's not too bad, but I'm going to catch up with you after I got it all out, and then we'll go over what I did. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so 10-20 minutes later, I got it all out, I got it all cut off. Let's go over what I did after I cut it off, and then I'll show you what I think was causing my issue. So after I cut it off, I took some electrical insulating compound, some electrical tape. When I cut the wires off, I coated it with that, and then I taped it all up to keep it from corroding, because it was on my trailer plug and my reverse light on the driver's side of my truck. So I did all that, made it look nice and neat. Now we're going to take a look at this light that I took off. It's going to be real hard to see, but moisture got into it and just destroyed it. So let's take a look. It's going to be hard to see, but we'll see. So in these LEDs, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that because of the light, but they're rusting in there, which I think what was causing was when I would touch my brakes, because this thing was still wired in, what was happening is that every time I hit my brakes, since it was corroded in there, it was jumping, right? That's what I believe was happening. I'm not 100% sure, I'm just speculating, but we'll see if we got this fixed. So I'm going to set the camera up. We're going to go in, we're going to start the truck, and we are going to press the brakes and see if the reverse camera comes on. And we'll go from there. I do got some more LED lighting upgrades I am going to do, and you will see that in the next video. I'm waiting on a couple more things to come in for the video after that. And yeah. And then we're going to look into possibly seeing if I can find another set of taillights that I can customize and a third brake light, because that's something I want to do. But Right now with shipping the way it is under COVID-19 priorities, things are all pushed back. But give me 1 second here, we're going to get you set up, and then we're going to see if my reverse camera comes on when I hit the brakes again. Well guys, I hope that fixed the problem. Only time will tell. The camera didn't come on when I hit the brakes this time, so I'm hoping that was the issue. I hope we got it solved. But until next time, take it easy. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.